In front of me is REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to hit security and privacy. Then scroll again to tap on device unlock. And finally select fingerprint and face unlock section. Now enter your screen lock and tap on face unlock here under ways to unlock. Then tap at the bottom right corner twice. Hit start, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then hit done. So when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can start face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!